Answer.
Think you just smile?
Let me see that hole.
I feel bad too, cause
I can't smile.
those
I'm pissed at myself right
those
now.
intake men from myself.
Like this.
Mr.
Peter's right.
I don't fit in that hole.
Hero is Ray or
Hello?
Hero's Ray?
Yeah. What's up?
Careful with that knife.
I'm about 5 seconds away.
At this point now, I don't give a shit. When I cut my finger, I don't.
What if you do cut your finger off?
Shitty.
Fucking deal.
You wouldn't miss your finger?
No, at this point, no, I wouldn't, because I'm pissed at myself because this camera looks like shit.
Yeah,
This is not my work.
I'm just trying to make sure everything's good.
You usually do really good work.
I got the speakers in the back.
Make a commercial, dude. Come on.
Dude, you should work for
Advertise
West
yourself.
Coast Customs.
Ray or
You like West Coast Customs? Or?
Yes, but I'm good, but I'm not that good.
Nah.
You got any pictures of your work that we can look at? Or?
You have to do, yes, at my house, I gotta get them.
Let's go to your house and get them.
Yeah.
No, I can't go get them because my sister's there.
No, I just called her. She said she's not there anymore.
Bullshit.
I'm not. You think I'm bullshitting? I'm not. You think everything I say is a lie.
Peter is Ray or
Man, you come down here and help me get the
You like Pete Rose Ray?
I'll come get you.
You like Pete Rose Ray?
Hey, you like the
All right,
style
then.
knobs?
I like the slob on your knob, yeah.
Oh. Oh, my knobs.
Oh, who's knob?
Everybody but mine.
yeah, raining.
Alright, everybody outside for a minute.